Hi everyone! Okay, moving on from the previous video that we've made, this time we will be making the dinakdakan or pork sisig. And I will use the crispy pork belly or lechon kawali that we've made. Well, my traditional recipe of dinakdakan, I usually grill the pork belly and then dinadagdagan ko rin po ito ng tenga ng baboy, and I also use the atay. But since nakaka-gout po yung mga ibang ingredients, so I decided to remove na lang. And as much as possible, less oil or fats po tayo. So kaya nga air-fried siya. Okay, so let's continue making the healthier option or quote-unquote healthy dinakdakan. Okay, so we will need to chop the meat. So, the difference between sisig and dinakdakan is yung sisig maliliit po yung hiwa niya. Ang dinakdakan medyo malalaki po. And when you say sisig, there are already a lot of varieties po ng sisig. Ano? Meron tayong pork, chicken, tofu or tokwa, and another one is the bangus sisig din. Di po ba? And some people are using mayonnaise, which is a big no-no for me. So, yeah, just use the pork brain. It's boiled and mashed pork brain, okay? So, it's cooked. But that's still your choice because hindi naman po laging available ang pork brains, ano? Dito sa palengke namin may nabibili. But then, in some parts of the world na hindi po siya available, well, it's up to you. You can use mayonnaise if you want to. There's no problem with that. So, here I am. Mag-harvest lang po ako ng calamansi sa aming garden. Or, if you don't have calamansi, make use of lemon. 1 lemon is enough. Meron din po akong lemon tree dito sa backyard, pero I prefer calamansi sa aking dinakdakan. I don't know, mas masarap yun eh, tsaka mas Filipino po siya talaga. And then, mag-harvest rin po ako ng spring onions. Okay, so mag-chop po tayo ng onion. 1 onion lang po ha. If you don't want chop, we can thinly slice them. And then, chop some spring onions as well. Also, get a thumb-sized ginger. So, alisin po natin yung skin ha. Okay, so mag-prepare na po tayo ng mixing bowl at ilagay na po natin lahat ng ingredients. So, unahin po natin yung meat and then add some freshly cracked black pepper. Ayan. And then, add some freshly cracked salt as well. Yung katamtaman lang po. Maghiwa po tayo ng 10 kalamansi. Kung wala kayong kalamansi, gumamit po kayo ng lemon, okay? As I've mentioned before, I prefer calamansi. So, yun po ang ating i-squeeze. So, mag-squeeze lang po tayo ng 10 kalamansi and add the juice extract. We will add our thinly sliced onion. And then, add some grated ginger. So, maliit lang po yung ginger natin ha. Yung thumb size or kasing laki ng ating, thumb or hinlalaki. Okay, so here's the decision-making part. So, it's your choice. Either 1 boiled and mashed pork brains or just simply 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So, hindi lahat ng butcher sa market ay nagtitinda po ng pork brains, ano? So, very few lang po. Hindi po siya accessible sa lahat. And I was able to buy one dito sa market namin. So, yun po yung ginamit ko. And my huge apology, I wasn't able to take a video of that step. Pati po yung pag-add ko ng sili labuyo, I forgot to switch the video on. So, yun po. So, and one last step, just toss all the ingredients together until well combined. And that's pretty much it. It's very simple. You too can do this in 20 minutes. So bye and thank you for watching!